The way that you see the world is purely subjective. Do you see a beautiful world where you live in harmony and things just flow and you are able to experience a happy experience? Or do you worry all the time? Are you full of stress? Do you worry about your health? It's up to you. But you need to understand the spiritual dimension in order to live life at that higher level of consciousness where there are no problems, only solutions. That's why I study metaphysics. I especially love the work of Mary Baker Eddy, who founded the Christian Science Church. She never really wanted to found a church. She just wanted people to read her book. But as she moved along, she was guided to start a religion that became global. There are other mystics that have come along that have said the same thing. There really are no problems. We create them. And it's what we put our attention on, be it a universe that is just full of love and goodness, or is it a universe that is challenging, difficult, and full of negative things that we have to work on? It's up to us, because when we learn how to go within and work with our subjective consciousness and treat ourselves metaphysically, we are able to correct problems. If we're having dis-ease, we can claim perfect health as our birthright, and our cells in our bodies will be rejuvenated. They'll correct themselves. Whatever needs to be healed will be healed. If we feel like we're suffering from lack and we just keep focusing on lack, we'll manifest more of that. But if we feel abundance is our birthright, things will come to us effortlessly and joyously, and we'll have a good time attracting what we need into our experience when we need it. And we'll realize that we're not governed by these laws that are governing the three-dimensional world. We can transcend those laws and go into the realm of the real, where there are no problems, only solutions. It's always up to us. We live in this dimension called the 3D world in our physical bodies with free choice. It's up to us what we choose to focus on, but we need to do the inner work. And it is work. So buy my course, the Mega Manifestation Method, if you want step-by-step solutions to how you can overcome in all areas of life. It's on my website, RebeccaTripp.com.